This egg right here is absolute goodness. I dare you not to get hooked on these. For this recipe you need 200 milliliters of water and 200 milliliters of balsamic vinegar. That's for your black color. And you're gonna need 6 to 8 eggs. Again, mine are medium, so I'm going with 8. 1 small onion, half if you don't like it so much. You're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of traditional or Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So once again here you mix in all your dry ingredients together. One added element is the onion, which you're going to chop into small wedges. Again, if you don't like it, only do half an onion, like this. In a pan, pour all of your ingredients together, including the onions, and you warm it up until it starts to boil, or to the point of boiling. And then you set it aside again, let it cool. In the meantime, boil your eggs. I put them in the water, and once it boils, I give it 5 minutes. Then you cool them, peel them, pile them up in your mason jar, and you pour the brine all over it. Once you're done with this process, you'll want to give your jar a stir to make sure all your eggs are getting properly coated. Then you'll put it in the fridge and let it pickle for at least a week. These eggs will easily last at least 4 months in your fridge, but in my house, this treat usually gets devoured within a week.